Oh yeah. it's got a tight turn radius now. Sweet. Okay. So that was fully stabilized mode. Oh yeah. That pivoted that time. Unlimited vertical. I think this will be the last test flight I need to perform on the Micro Skyhunter with the new rudder assembly. One last adjustment I made was reversing the control arm position on the servos to make a straighter path for the control linkage, the control rod. That's going to make it slightly more efficient and give me slightly more deflection on the rudders. So I think I'm going to be really happy with it now. Let's take it out here and launch it. And I keep forgetting just how much power this has got on 4S. I think 50% throttle on launch is plenty. Okay, so this is fully stabilized mode, guys, and you can see how tight that can turn, and that's not even 100% aileron or 100% rudder. But it is, I would say, maybe 25%. The radius on the turns in fully stabilized mode that it was before I put the rudder assembly on it. Alright, so we are in gyro mode now. But that is cool. It is a rocket on 4S. Oh, it makes roller coaster turns a lot easier now too with some rudder in it. That is nice. It just spins around. Look at that. Easy peasy. Gliding. It has a really good glide to it too. Gliding. Alright, power up. Complete stall. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool being able to do stall turns with this now. This is such a great little airframe. Yeah, I think I'm very happy with the rudders on this now. No more test flights needed. Gliding. Alright, power in. Very cool. Gliding. Alright, power up. Okay, let's see. I'm getting at the end of my timer here. Let's see if we could bring it in and land it. No traffic coming at the moment. And I have some rudders to get lined up here. Really nice and sweet. Such a great little airframe. And on 4S it is awesome. Just absolutely awesome. That's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.